In this tutorial, I'll show you how to require business emails for form submissions in Webflow. Let's get started. Copy the business email validation code you'll be using, then open your Webflow project and go to the page that contains your form. Open the page settings and paste the code into the before body tag section. Save your changes. Return to the designer and select the email field in your form. In the element settings panel, scroll to custom attributes and add a new attribute. Enter MS Code Business Email as the attribute name and leave the value field empty. Publish your website, then test the form by entering a personal email address such as Gmail or Yahoo. The form should require a business email before it can be submitted. That's how to require business emails for form submissions in Webflow. Thanks for watching.